Hi, I'm Gerry Papetti, a founding partner of U.S. Financial Services. First, I hope that you and your loved ones are staying safe and healthy during these challenging times. Today, I'd like to share with you our thoughts on estate planning and 7 must-do items we think you should consider. These days of stay-at-home and self-isolation have given rise to unique problems and a new way of thinking. With the global pandemic we're faced with, health and wellness become a huge priority in people's lives. It seems like a good time for us all to reflect on our preparedness for the future and to confirm that our families are well protected in case of sickness or even worse. This is all the more important now because if you become sick and hospitalized due to COVID-19, you'll be isolated from any family, making all of this advanced planning and organization even more important. Now I'd like to review with you tried and true principles, as well as some new directives for estate planning in the age of coronavirus. Accompanying this video is a more detailed outline of the 7 must-do items, as well as our estate planning letter of instruction, which can help you organize your estate plan and document your wishes. The first item is to get your documents in order, starting with the foundation of your estate plan, your last will and testament, where you will document your wishes on how you want your estate to be distributed and who you will appoint to carry out your wishes. One major issue during the days that stay at home is how do you get something notarized when you, your attorney, and notary are self-isolating. To address this issue, state governors of New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, to name a few, have granted notaries temporary authority to authenticate documents via video conference. So don't let the physical challenge of executing documents deter you from proceeding. The second item is you need a power of attorney, where you appoint an individual, known as an agent, to make financial decisions in the event you're not able. This type of power of attorney that we recommend is a durable power of attorney, which is effective immediately and remains in effect in the event of disability. Unlike other powers of attorney, some which are suspended in the event of mental incapacitation or only spring into effect in the event of disability. We also recommend a durable power of attorney for any adult children over the age of 18. The third item is consider a revocable trust, also known as a living trust, which provides a seamless transition to manage estate assets owned by the trust, with no delay or need to go through probate. This is a more critical issue if you're single or widowed, and now holds true more than ever when estates cannot be probated due to the COVID-19 crisis. A revocable trust, again, provides immediate access and control of the assets it owns. The fourth item, you and your adult children need an advanced healthcare directive. This document describes in very specific detail the type of life-saving intervention the individual would like and in which situations it's to be used. This is important for college-age kids as well, who are almost all over the age of 18, which means their medical information is protected by HIPAA. While this rule may protect privacy, it can also block parents from being able to help kids living hundreds of miles away when a medical emergency arises. The fifth item, you should compile a list of your health insurance policies and make it accessible to individuals who need it in case you're hospitalized. Also, if you have a health savings account, make sure your family is aware of it and knows how to access it if needed. The sixth item is update your beneficiary designations on your IRAs, 401ks, and retirement plans, annuities, as well as life insurance policies. Make sure the primary beneficiary designations are correct, and also it's a good time to make sure you've noted contingent beneficiaries in the event the primary beneficiary has predeceased you. And the seventh and final step is communication. Make your wishes known, document your wishes. And we cannot stress enough, as mentioned previously, if you get sick and hospitalized due to COVID-19, you'll be immediately isolated from family, making all this planning even more important. Please know that all of us at U.S. Financial Services are here to help you get through this estate planning process if needed. I'm Gerry Papetti. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and be well.